Hello and welcome to the Cosmetology program. I'm Monica and I'm a senior from Brunswick. Let me show you around our program. This is the reception area of our salon. In the senior side of our salon, we function just like a regular salon. We take appointments, we take phone calls, and we have real people come in and get their services done. And next up, I'm going to show you Grace, who's going to talk about manicuring.
My name's Grace and my home school's Medina. This is our manicure station. Our nail services are manicures, pedicures, and gel services.
All right, and now I'm going to show you Carly, who's going to talk about waxing and facials.
Hi, I'm Carly. My home school's Cloverleaf. Over here we have our shampoo bowls, our dryer stations, and our facial waxings where we perform lip, chin, and eyebrow waxes. And then over here we have our facial room. This is where we perform our facials and our pedicures. So over here we have Nadia performing a facial. We have different kinds of facials with exfoliating and masks. And then I am also involved in volleyball at my home school and DARE, so I'm able to leave the Career Center to go do my homeschool activities.
And next up, I'm going to take you to the junior side so Ariana can show you about roller sets.
Hi, my name's Ariana and I go to Brunswick, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a roller set. So for the section, you want it to be as big as the roller that you're using, and then you want to make sure that the hair is wet, and then you smooth it on the roller to the ends, and then you start rolling down. And in our junior year, we start off with learning infectious control and disease. And then throughout the year, we learn how to use hot tools, we do thermal curling, we do perms. Right now they're doing perms. And then we go on to facials and do hair, nails, and pedicure. And then our senior year, we graduate and we get our state board certification. And when I get my state board certification, I'm going to go to college for 2 years for business and then hopefully open my own salon.
The junior side is where we get to learn all new skills about cosmetology, and our senior side is where we get to review and incorporate these skills. All right, you can come with me and we're going to talk about men's haircutting.
At the salon, we don't only offer women's cuts, but we also offer men's clippers cuts and kids haircuts.
All right, and come with me. I'm going to show you Kendra, and she's going to be talking about makeup.
Hi, I'm Kendra, and my home school is Cloverleaf. Even though I go to the Career Center at my home school, I'm still involved in volleyball. And here at the Career Center, they also give us opportunities in CCP, which I have taken part in. Now I'm going to show you Corey doing Bree's makeup. Makeup is one of the many facial services we provide here at the salon. And there is also a makeup competition that some of my classmates have competed in. And over here we have Riley doing a highlight. A highlight is one of the many services we provide here at the salon, and is along the lines of hair color, we also give balayages, retouches, and all over color.
Color is one of our most lucrative and high demand services at the salon. You may have noticed these paper links across our classroom today. They are for our Career Center community outreach, where our cosmetology program is trying to do as many good deeds as possible. Each one is marked and put around the room. Here, Carly is going to talk about curling and styling.
All right, so over here we have Athena. She is putting hot curls into the mannequin's hair. So we learn all about the hot tools here at the Career Center, all the different ones such as the flat irons, the curling irons, and the crimpers. We are able to make up styles out of our hot tool styles and use them for dances, weddings, and all other special occasions like that. So we also have haircutting competitions here and open demonstration competitions that I will actually be competing in one of the open competitions. I am very excited about it.
Cosmetology is an amazing program that offers many opportunities, and the Career Center does too. I am currently enrolled in the National Technical Honor Society, and I plan to graduate with an honors diploma. I am also on early placement because I have my cosmetology license, and I'm getting a jump start on my career here at the Career Center. Thank you so much for touring with us. I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I hope that we see you soon. Bye.